Hello, welcome to another episode of Happy Face Travels. I am Diana, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you available visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. Okay, guys, as you can see, I am looking at my screen and I have this amazing news that says available UK visa sponsorship jobs, a comprehensive guide. So, aside giving you all the juicy details about the available jobs, the emails to apply to, and the contact to reach out to get these jobs, I will also show you a comprehensive guide on the things you would need to prepare to start applying. So if this is something you are interested in, you would love to travel to the UK through visa sponsorship jobs, you have to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to take my time to explain the different jobs one after the other, and I'll also take my time to explain the tips and tricks for you to get this job. So let's just go right into this as we have fun. And remember, guys, if this is your first time, we welcome you. This is Happy Face Travels. At Happy Face Travels, all we do is create amazing content like this for you, teaching you how to make money and travel around the world. So if making money and traveling around the world is something you are interested in, please subscribe to this channel, share our videos, leave a comment if you have questions, and I will do well to answer them. Okay, guys, let's just go right into this video. Okay, so you see the first thing you would see here, it says introduction, navigating opportunities across borders. So it goes ahead to explain to you the different essence of the UK visa sponsorship, the key element of the essence of the UK visa sponsorship. That way you do not miss out on anything. I'm going to be dropping this link in the description box so that you can go there and take your time to read. All the documents you will be needing, your compliance and all of that has been listed here. So this is not going to be a difficult apply for you. Okay, we also went ahead to tell you things about the legal framework, the pathway to opportunities, and all the other visa sponsorship categories you will need. So this particular article, the writer has taken their time to break down the different visa tiers. So if you're familiar with the UK, you know there's a tier 2 visa, the tier 4, the tier 5. So this way you understand the particular visa you should be applying for. So the tier 2, the tier 4, the tier 5, you need to come here and read all of this to actually know and understand the particular visa you want to apply for, and you can go right ahead. So we do not even stop there. This particular article is so amazing because your eligibility criteria is also available for you to read and understand yourself, guys. Can you see this? Now, it even gets better because there's a step-by-step application process. So the first step, the second step, the third step, the fourth step, the fifth step, and even the sixth step to the point where you pay your visa fee and apply for your visa. Everything has been listed out here for you. Your challenges and your considerations have also been listed out so that you can decide for yourself to know and be sure that this is a pathway you want to tour. So after all of this, it is now time for us to see the available visa sponsorship jobs. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this too? You need to look at this closely. This is the moment where you need to focus, zoom in if possible, because if your profession is here or you can do one or two of these, then this is the opportunity for you to apply. Can you see this, guys? So we have pharmacy. So if you're a pharmacist, they are looking for a pharmacist manager at Westmoreland. So you can actually apply, and guess what? We have the link here for you to apply. There's also customer service assistant full time, and you can apply here. So guys, let me explain something to you when it comes to customer care service assistant. So those of you who are looking to start a career in customer care service or customer service, it is a niche that jobs are always available, because I'll tell you why. Most companies are looking for customer service assistants, especially because every company needs someone who is going to attend to their customer, either it be remotely, digitally, or even physically. There's absolutely no company that is not aiming to have their customers. Every business and every company is looking to have customers for their businesses. So it is only natural for them to always look into hiring eligible customer service personnel. So if this is something you're interested in, I would advise you, if you're not really equipped to be a customer service person, you can actually go ahead and study to be a customer service person. In this dispensation, meaning in this time, it is so easy to study because you can actually study and learn a particular craft online. So there's so many online platforms where you can learn skills in customer service, digital marketing, content creation, and all of these amazing things I will still talk about as we progress in this video. And if you're not sure where to actually study online and understand what you're studying, and also get the benefit of getting applications done for you through different companies and to different companies, you can always go to Happy Face Academy to learn something. So we have a lot of courses. You can always go to the happyfaceacademy.com to start an online training that will help you get remote jobs, visa sponsorship jobs, and just jobs in general, or even start your own freelancing career. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with our visa sponsorship jobs. As you can see, there's the shop manager. This is something almost anybody can apply for. So if you can properly arrange your resume and your CV, your cover letter, your email templates, then you can actually apply for the role of a shop manager. Yes, so if it's something that you're interested in, go ahead and apply for the role of a shop manager. This is something that a lot of people will be able to apply for. And another one, as you can see, is vehicle technician. Visa sponsorship available, guys. And this is the Mercedes-Benz of Peel. And guys, you need to apply for this. If you're a vehicle technician, this is for you, because I know the vehicle technicians are not something that you can easily get. So you can take your time and apply for this one if you're a vehicle technician. They're also saying that content manager is needed in the studio Paskin. So guys, if you're a content manager, for those of you who are not sure who a content manager is, you can actually become a content manager, because this is something you can learn online. Like I said again, you can actually enroll at the Happy Face Academy to learn content management, and you can apply for jobs like this. But if you're already a content manager, you can go ahead and start applying. Can you see, guys? Graphic designer sponsorship available. So those of you who are interested in graphic designing, you're a graphic designer, you can go ahead and apply to eProtect 360 Ltd. So guys, there's something I need you guys to understand and know. Graphic designers are actually in high demand, but I would advise you that if you want to apply for as a graphic designer, please and please and please do not, I repeat, do not go and apply as a graphic designer without being prepared. And one of the ways to getting yourself prepared is actually knowing how to design very well. So don't just go and apply to become a graphic designer when you do not know how to design properly. So you guys, make sure you understand the in and out of graphic designs before you go and apply as a graphic designer at eProtect. So another position available is account assistants, and this has possible visa sponsorship if you can prove to them that you're absolutely good and they should sponsor you. So if this is something you're interested in, and if this is something that you understand completely, then you can apply for this. And number 8 is an IT programmer analyst. Visa sponsorship is available. So if this is something you're interested in, the language business is hiring IT programmer analyst. Please go and apply. So we also have Band 4 Theatre Nursing Associates. So that is at the University Hospital, and they are waiting for you to come and apply. We have dropped all the links in this particular article for you to go and apply. So number 10 says service desk analyst, also available. You can apply. There is another pharmacy assistant. So guys, pharmacy is something that you can look into. You can also apply. There's a pre-registration pharmacist job available also. So if you're into the pharmacy world, you can also apply. And there is a veterinary surgeon sponsorship available. So you can also apply if that is something you do. And there is the registered nurse also asking at the HC1 Mercy Parks. You can apply for that. And guys, what are you waiting for? If you're someone who says my profession is not here, there are 2 professions that you can actually learn quickly and apply, and that is content management, and also you can learn as fast as possible for the customer service assistant. So guys, if this is something you're excited about, let me know in the comment section. And for some reason you're not sure how to apply for these jobs and the other jobs that we've been giving to you guys daily, because we're going to be doing daily videos to show you jobs that you can apply for immediately. So if for any reason you're like, oh, I cannot, or I do not understand how to apply for all these jobs, then you can contact us to put you through and help you apply. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to go and apply yourself, and I'm looking forward to seeing your success stories. Like I said, the only time you can contact us to talk to us is when you cannot apply by yourself. Remember, we are not a travel agency. We are a content creation company, a travel and tech content creation company, meaning that we show you all of these things to apply by yourself for absolutely free. The only time we come to your aid is when you now decide that you want to use us as a virtual assistant, and that is something entirely different. But we encourage you to also apply by yourself for yourself. I hope you guys enjoy this, and remember, if you want to learn all of the skills, just go to happyfaceacademy.com. Also send us an email or reach out to us on WhatsApp to start your journey and start learning to earn. Okay guys, I hope you guys had amazing time. I had an amazing time with you guys. Do not forget to subscribe, to like this video, to share this video, and just come around tomorrow as we are going to be dropping another set of jobs for you to apply if that is something you like. And we're also going to be teaching you ways for you to become a freelancer, a digital entrepreneur, and travel around the world. Thank you guys for watching. You're such an amazing community. I love you guys. And yes, drop all your questions in the comment section. And also do not forget to get the link in the description box or somewhere pinned in the comment section. Thank you guys once again, and bye.